A description of the global climate includes how the global climate happened. For example, the rising temperature of the Pacific typhoon, which blow harder, drop more rain and cause more damage, but also shift global ocean currents that melt Antarctica ice, which slowly make sea level rise. We can see that the global climate nowadays is changing very rapidly and differently. Did you know why that can happen? Now, I'm going to inform you about national and localized factors that causes global climate change. The national and localized factors that I will speak out to you are clean of land for agriculture and encroachment of fragile ecosystems. Firstly, clean of land for agriculture. Do you know about land clearing? Land clearing is when people clear the land by removing the tree for agricultural goal, which is to increase the size of the agriculture farm. Other than that, according to Wikipedia, deforestation, clearance, clear-cutting or clearing is the removal of a forest or stand of trees from land which is then converted to a non-forest use. Deforestation can involve conversion of forest land to farm, ranches, or urban use. But nowadays, there are some irresponsible people that take an easy way to clear the land by burning the forest. When burning the forest fire will increase carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere, contributing to the greenhouse effect and climate change. The gases hang in the air like an invisible blanket, trapping the heat from the sun and stopping it from returning to space. It will warming up the Earth's surface temperature. In addition, ashes destroy much of the nutrient and erode the soil, causing flooding and landslide. Other than that, increased agricultural land use can unbalance local ecosystem, contamination soil and water, and disruptions of the local water cycle. This proves that by cleaning land for agriculture, it will cause the climate change. The encroachments of fragile ecosystem is the other causes of national and localized factor. As we know, our nature provides us oxygen, regulate our weather pattern, produce our food, feed and fiber. But unfortunately, our nature is at a critical level. Human activity has altered almost 75% of the Earth's surface, squeezing wildlife and nature. This point actually is closely related to the first point. Deforestation caused by humans will cause the ecosystem of animals to be disrupted. Most animals do not survive the initial disruptions of their habitat. The wildlife animal will facing the extinction if this matter does not be fixed. According to recent estimate, the world is losing 137 species of plants, animals, and insects every day to deforestation. A horrifying 50,000 species become extinct each year. This can damage the populations of other plants or animals. Furthermore, if a predator goes extinct, its prey population proliferates, unbalancing local ecosystem. Hence, forests are vitally important for sustaining life on Earth and play a major role in a fight against climate change. At last, I want to say that we need to take part and try to stop the causes of national and localized factors to prevent the global climate change. If humans contribute to control the activity that lead to global climate change, this world would be healthier and safe. If everybody has one to take stand and try to end most of the climate change that are occurring, this world would be a safer place to live on. But if not, it will have many effects to our global climate change. So, how this factor give effect to our planet? Our next presenter will explain about the effect.